So the hot topic in the US market is Michael Burry versus Nvidia. Now, Dr. Michael Burry is the investor who decided to short the US housing market before the collapse in 2008. He obviously was proven right and he made a lot of money for his investors. But since then, he hasn't always been right, so people are a little skeptical about his views. Now, over the past few weeks, he's been going after the AI cohort and talking a lot about the circular financing, with Nvidia being in the middle. Now, what Nvidia did is they released a memo to a select few. So they didn't make this memo public and they sent it only to sell side analysts, refuting some of his and other people's views. Now, this gave the market an idea that they had something to refute, and why not make it public, right? So we saw their stock sell off a little bit, but since then it has recovered. Now, Michael Burry seems to think that we're seeing what we saw during the dot-com bubble. That's at least the start of his arguments. What he said was at that time, the dot-com bubble was led by the four horsemen, or Dell, Intel, Microsoft, and Cisco. And we're seeing something similar now. And the collapse was because of the overcapacity or the capital expenditure behind the overcapacity and the return not coming in on time. So eventually the internet did catch on, and all that capacity probably was used later down the line. But the hype and the frenzy built this bubble up to such a level that everything was done much ahead of time without any substantial returns coming soon after. And that's what led to the collapse. And he's talking about a similar situation right now. We'll see how this unfolds and what else he has to say about the matter.